Did you know that over 70% of American seniors struggle with daily stress and anxiety without realizing its hidden toll? Left unchecked, this worry can sneak up on you, causing sleepless nights. Picture your grandparent lying awake at 3 a.m., heart pounding over small concerns. Surprisingly, studies show inhaling lavender essential oil can reduce cortisol by up to 30% within minutes, promising calmer days, better sleep for loved ones. 1. Unveiling the hidden dangers of anxiety. When stress and anxiety take hold, their impact can be immediate and far-reaching. In the short term, seniors often feel overwhelming fatigue and irritability. Simple tasks like folding laundry or paying bills suddenly seem insurmountable. Sleep suffers too. Nightmares or racing thoughts turn bedtime into a battleground, resulting in shallow rest that leaves them drowsy and unfocused the next day. These issues aren't just inconveniences. Elevated heart rate and blood pressure spikes can surge during anxious moments, putting extra strain on an aging cardiovascular system. If left unattended, these short-term effects can become chronic. Persistent inflammation sets the stage for arthritis flares or digestive troubles, while memory lapses grow more frequent as cortisol wears down brain cells. Immune defenses weaken, making seniors more susceptible to infections and slowing recovery times. Over months and years, untreated anxiety may even accelerate cognitive decline, robbing loved ones of precious shared memories. Recognizing these dangers is the first step towards change, because with the right intervention, it's possible to reverse stress's grip and restore vitality. Transitioning from awareness to action, let's explore simple, natural ways to begin that journey.
2. Layered essential oil remedies. When it comes to easing stress and anxiety in seniors, essential oils offer a straightforward, science-backed approach that anyone can integrate into daily life. Think of these interventions as layers of support. Each step builds on the last, helping to calm both mind and body. Let's walk through 3 key methods: foundation, optimization, and enhancement. A. Foundation, inhalation therapy. Inhalation is the fastest way to tap into the calming effects of essential oils because the aroma molecules travel directly to the brain's limbic system, which governs emotions. For an American senior settling in for their favorite TV show or reading the newspaper on a cozy armchair, running a diffuser in the living room for up to 30 minutes can make a noticeable difference. Start with 3 to 5 drops of lavender or bergamot oil in a diffuser filled with water. The gentle mist releases soothing scents that reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, by up to 30% within minutes. To ensure safety, keep windows slightly ajar for airflow and avoid running the diffuser continuously. Aim for 2 sessions per day, morning and early evening, so the oils don't become overpowering. B. Optimization, topical application. While inhalation offers quick relief, topical application delivers sustained benefits throughout the day. Picture a senior couple gardening on a Sunday afternoon. After diluting a high-quality frankincense oil to a 1 to 2% concentration in a neutral carrier like jojoba oil, they massage a small amount onto their wrists or the back of their necks. This method ensures the active compounds are absorbed through the skin, providing a gentle, ongoing sense of calm. Before using any new oil mix, perform a patch test on the forearm. Apply a tiny dot, wait 24 hours, and check for irritation. If all is clear, apply up to 4 drops per targeted area, no more than twice a day. Always wash hands after each session to prevent accidental contact with eyes or sensitive mucous membranes.
C. Blended rituals. Once inhalation and topical methods are working smoothly, consider combining oils for layered, personalized support. For example, A blend of lavender and Roman chamomile can boost relaxation before bed, while frankincense, mixed with vetiver, supports mental clarity during daytime activities like crossword puzzles or social visits. To create a simple two-oil blend, mix 2 drops of each oil in a small roller bottle, then top with carrier oil. Rotate blends on a weekly basis to prevent scent fatigue and allow the body to respond freshly. It's important to monitor each new blend. Keep a journal noting which combinations brought the greatest sense of ease, or if any prompted mild headaches or skin sensitivity. This apply sparingly, monitor, adjust approach helps you fine-tune the rituals to best match individual needs. Throughout these steps, safety and sourcing are paramount. Always choose 100% pure, therapeutic-grade oils from reputable American suppliers that provide third-party batch testing certificates. Cheap or contaminated products can irritate the skin, cause headaches, or trigger allergic reactions, undercutting the very relief you're seeking. By layering inhalation for immediate effect, topical for sustained calm, and blends for personalized enhancement, you establish a comprehensive foundation that directly counters the stress-related consequences we covered earlier, restoring not just peace of mind, but better sleep, reduced blood pressure spikes, and improved overall well-being. If these methods aren't quite fitting your needs, there are other ways to explore. 3. Alternative paths to calm. While inhalation, topical use, and custom blends are the core remedies, you may need or prefer other ways to ease stress and anxiety. Having alternatives on hand ensures you can tailor the approach to individual needs, health considerations, or personal preference. Let's explore equivalent alternatives, methods that achieve the same calming goal, and additional support options that enhance overall well-being. Equivalent alternatives. If essential oils aren't an option due to scent sensitivity or supply issues, consider herbal teas like chamomile or lemon balm. Boil 8 ounces of water. Steep 1 chamomile tea bag for 5 to 7 minutes and sip slowly before bedtime. These herbs contain natural compounds that promote relaxation without caffeine's jolt. Choose organic, caffeine-free brands to avoid unwanted additives. Another simple equivalent is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This pattern resets the nervous system, lowering heart rate in as little as 1 minute. No equipment is needed, making it perfect for seniors on the go, whether waiting for a buzz or sitting in traffic. Additional supports. For those seeking deeper lifestyle integration, gentle yoga or chair-based tai chi can gently stretch muscles, improve circulation, and synchronize movement with breath. Look for senior-friendly classes at local community centers or follow beginner videos online. These practices not only calm the mind, but also boost balance and flexibility, reducing fall risk. Music therapy is another valuable supplement. Curate a playlist of favorite tunes from the 1950s to 70s. Familiar melodies trigger positive memories and dopamine release. Playing this playlist during quiet afternoons or before sleep helps anchor a peaceful routine. Selection criteria and limitations. Herbal teas are safe, but may interact with certain medications, like blood thinners. Always check with a pharmacist. Breathing exercises carry no direct risks, but require practice for full effect. Encourage regular daily practice for best results. Mind-body movement may not suit those with severe mobility limitations. Modify poses as needed or consult a physical therapist. Music therapy has minimal downsides, though very loud volumes can strain hearing. Keep levels moderate. By mixing and matching these alternatives and supports, you can maintain stress relief even if essential oils aren't accessible or ideal. Before adopting any of these options widely, it's important to review potential contraindications and safety considerations. 4. Safety first. Contraindications and warnings. Before introducing any new remedy, it's crucial to understand when essential oils may not be the right choice and which warning signs mean you should pause and seek professional advice. First, certain health conditions and medications can interact negatively with specific oils. For example, seniors on blood thinners or with bleeding disorders should avoid high eugenol oils like clove or cinnamon, as they may increase bleeding risk. Those with acid reflux or sensitive digestive systems may find peppermint oil aggravates heartburn. If you take antihypertensive drugs, consult your physician before using oils such as rosemary or eucalyptus, which can affect blood pressure. Anyone with a history of seizures should steer clear of stimulatory oils like rosemary, eucalyptus, or sage, and always check with a neurologist before trying new aromatherapy treatments. Next, be alert for warning signs that indicate you need to stop oil use immediately. If you experience skin irritation, redness, itching, or rash, wash the area with mild soap and water and discontinue application. Should you notice headaches, dizziness, or a sudden increase in heart rate during inhalation sessions, turn off the diffuser and step into fresh air. In the rare event of difficulty breathing, swelling around the face or throat, or any signs of an allergic reaction, seek medical help right away. Safe dosing limits help minimize these risks. When applying oils topically, do not exceed 4 drops per area, such as wrists, temples, or neck in a single session, and limit applications to twice daily. For inhalation, avoid running diffusers for more than 30 minutes at a time, and allow at least a 15-minute break between sessions. Always perform a patch test before skin use. Apply 1 drop of a 1% diluted oil mix on the inner forearm and wait 24 hours to confirm there's no reaction. Quality control is equally important. Choose 100% pure, therapeutic-grade oils from reputable American suppliers who provide third-party batch testing certificates. Look for companies that list Latin names, for example, Lavandula angustifolia for lavender, and state country of origin. Avoid products with vague labels like fragrance oil or perfume grade, which may contain synthetic additives. With these precautions in place, knowing when to consult professionals, recognizing warning signs, adhering to safe use limits, and selecting high-quality oils, you create a secure foundation for healing. With safety in place, here's how to track real progress. 5. Tracking your progress. Monitoring progress is key to staying motivated and knowing when adjustments are needed. Start by tracking both subjective and objective signs of improvement. Subjectively, seniors often notice a lighter mood within the first 1 to 2 weeks, moments when worries feel less overwhelming, or bedtime no longer brings racing thoughts. Encourage them to jot down brief notes each evening, rating overall anxiety on a simple 1 to 5 scale. 1 equals calm as a Sunday morning, 5 equals high stress, and noting any specific triggers or relief moments. Objectively, small but meaningful changes can be measured. For example, many seniors see a 2 to 6 BPM drop in resting heart rate after 2 weeks of consistent inhalation sessions. Others report gaining an extra 30 to 60 minutes of solid sleep per night by the end of the first month. If you have a wearable fitness tracker, check average heart rate and sleep duration trends. If not, a basic wrist pulse count and an honest sleep log chart work just as well. To structure your monitoring, divide your diary into 3 time frames. Early, week 1 to 2. Look for immediate wow moments, perhaps a calm feeling after the first few inhalations. If there's no noticeable change, review application methods, correct dilution, diffuser placement. Medium, month 1. Assess consistency. Are relaxation ratings improving week over week? Has average sleep gone up? If progress stalls, consider tweaking blends or adding brief breathing exercises. Long term, month 2 plus. Evaluate overall patterns. Sustained mood stability, deeper sleep cycles, and fewer flare-ups of stress-related symptoms signal it's safe to maintain your current regimen. If new issues arise, pause and reassess. Classify results simply as good enough to maintain, not yet achieved, optimize, or abnormal, stop and consult. This straightforward framing prevents overthinking and keeps seniors focused. By keeping a clear, dated diary listing the date, oil method, mood score, and any notes, you create both accountability and a roadmap. Over time, these entries become a personalized guide showing exactly what works and when to adjust. With consistent monitoring, seniors gain confidence in their journey to reduced anxiety and can celebrate each small victory on the path to lasting calm. Before the conclusion, I want everyone to comment below your symptoms or the type of disease you are concerned about. I will reply to the comments or reply in the next video, so everyone knows how to handle it. I will help you have good health to be happy with the people you love. Don't forget to like and share with your friends to know more about this important knowledge. 6. Conclusion and next steps. Stress and anxiety can quietly erode seniors' health, but there is hope. By layering inhalation, topical application, and personalized blends of high-quality essential oils, you target both mind and body, reversing short and long-term consequences. Remember to respect contraindications, follow safe dosing, and choose pure, tested oils. Keep a simple diary to monitor subjective calm and objective measures like sleep and heart rate. Core takeaway: natural essential oils provide an accessible, evidence-based path to lasting calm for the elderly. Mantra: breathe in peace, breathe out worry.